In today's episode, I'll be repainting Morningstar's mufflers and installing new exhaust mounts. Let's get to work. First, jack up the car and secure it on jack stands. For the rusty seized bolts, apply WD-40 and after apply some heat with a propane torch. But don't burn the house down in the process. Crack the bolts loose and undo them with a ratchet. Apply some lubricant to the old hangers so the mufflers can be removed easily. Use a wire wheel on a drill to easily remove the old paint. And then use an alcohol-based product to remove the dirt and degrease the surface for the paint. The left muffler will be repainted with a matte black heatproof paint in a spray can, doing 3 to 4 coats with a 50% overlap, and the right muffler I will repaint it with a matte black heatproof paint from a can and apply it directly with a brush. After everything is dry, brand new hangers are installed first, and to make life easier some silicone lube is applied. Install the mufflers back to the exhaust system and tighten the connecting bolts. Here is how the paint is holding up after 3 years. The exhaust might be repainted again at some point in the future, but if you want to do it yourself, my advice is to use the Rust-Oleum heatproof paint and a brush, as it leaves a better result in the long run. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.